Let's talk about checking tire date codes today. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. I mentioned a number of times that after a tire is about 6 years old, we want to look at it pretty closely and consider replacing it if our budget will allow, and getting a professional to look at them. But first of all, I want you to know that the date code is only going to be on one side of the tire, so it depends on how the tire is mounted on the car. On this particular one, it is on the outside, so it makes it a little easier for us. So we're going to look for the letters DOT, Department of Transportation. And then we're going to look for an oval that has a bunch of numbers in it, and the last four are going to be numerical. So this one is 0522. What that means is this tire was manufactured in the 5th week of 2022. So now we can know how old this tire is. Hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.